Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. I am here with a video to expose to you all the situation here with Puppy Town. Guys, I think we did it. I think we actually managed to beat Puppy Town. Now, for all those who don't know what is going on, I have had a massive saga with Puppy Town here on my channel. About 2 months ago, I discovered that Puppy Town existed because I was getting spammed with ads of Puppy Town. What this app promised us was real life money to grind out dogs and to watch never-ending ads like this one. So pretty much you're forced to watch Muppets of the Earth like this guy right now. Look at the head on him. Look. I get so angry with these actors, dude. Like, you have no idea how angry I get. If anyone knows this guy, can you just let him know that there was a swear word in a Google ad then, by the way, but yeah, I get demonetized for swearing. I'm so done with Google. That's beside the point. Anyway, oh, there's another actor. Hey, man, how you going? Nice hair. But beside the point, Puppy Town made you milk ads, so then what would happen is the developer would get money with the promise that you guys would get real life money, okay? So, developer gets money for you watching the ad, then they give you I guess, a belief that you will win real life money and prizes such as like Macs or flat screen TVs. That's what Puppy Town used to be. But just having a look here, guys, I'm actually thinking Puppy Town's given up. Like, they've completely changed their app. There is no more real life rewards section at the top of the screen. There are no more, or money. There's no more money. Dude, you don't win money anymore on Puppy Town. It's gone. Guys, I think either Google has told them off, or the developers have watched our videos on their pathetic app, and they decided to change it into a non-scam app. Which, I have to give them credit. They took away the money. But what I don't give them credit for is essentially scamming people to begin with. And also, they still have it on their Play Store page that you can win real life money. Over 10 million downloads have been achieved for Puppy Town, under the premise that you can win real life money and rewards. And yet, here we are, everyone. Look at this. There is no more prizes at the top of the screen. There's no more money. It's over, dude. Like, you cannot win real life money anymore. I mean, they still have the dividends thing here. Today's dividends, 232.48. But I think it's all rigged, bro. Like, I think this is not meant to be here anymore, legitimately. Like, how's Puppy Town giving money anymore? I think this is it. This is it, everyone. Puppy Town's been defeated. I mean, unless they bring out the money and the free prizes again, I'll make another video. But my version of the app has no real-life money rewards here. It has no money. It's gone. Unbelievably, it's gone, bro. Like, this is actually sketching me out completely. This is spinning me out. I can't believe it. Do you know how good this is? Do you know how proud I am right now that I've probably saved so many people time? Dude, you gotta think, my Puppy Town videos in total have probably over easily 50,000 views in total now, right? Of people seeing the scam for what it is. So, guys, if you spread the word out there, good job, you did it. Puppy Town has no real life money in it at all anymore from what I can tell, except for this dividends, which I think is not even meant to be there anymore. Can someone download Puppy Town now and just see today's dividends and just see if they're the same number, please? Because I don't understand how there's dividends if there's no real life money to be earned anymore in this game. Like, if you have a look here, I understand you need to get the lucky puppies, but I think this is it, dude. I think that's all they've got, man. How funny is this? How mad would the developers be as well in a way that their scam's been ended pretty much? And do you know what the great thing is, though? Apparently Puppy Town is still running ads on my video for their own app, right? Which is hilarious to me. So they're actually advertising their ads on my video, which is, it's just, the logic in that is just unreal to me, okay? But yeah, what do we get from clicking this now? Like, I don't understand. What do we get? Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, man. These ads just make me so angry, by the way. Look at this ad, dude. Yeah, I'm sure you're going to win all that real life money. Besides the point, what a day. What a day. We should be celebrating right now, everyone. It's over. Puppy Town, I think, is pretty much over. Like, where's the money? Someone show me. If anyone can show me where the real life money is on their app. Like, you gotta remember, this is the most recent version of the app, okay? So I uninstalled Puppy Town and reinstalled it, and this is the app that I have now. Alright? Not Lucky Party, this is just a pathetic ad, but once that's off the screen, like, I think Puppy Town's literally been beaten. It's over. It's over, everyone. That is hilarious to me. Let me just merge all these dogs together. So now it's literally just a merging game. Puppy Town is literally just a merging game at this point now. That's it. That's all it is. It's done. The saga's over. It's all been beaten. Life is good. No real life money out of Puppy Town anymore. I mean, as I said, you got the dividends. I don't understand why dividends are even there at this point. And I hate how they give you that present so it takes up one of your kennels so you have to press on it. It's very clever. That's one of the pathetic, predatory business practices that Puppy Town does. They give you a reward right on top of your kennel. So then you have to watch an ad to get rid of that stupid reward. So annoying. I don't know why. I don't know why Google even allowed this app in the first place. But I do think it's hilarious that so many people have negatively reviewed this app now. Like, if you look at the reviews on Puppy Town, it's just getting absolutely destroyed by negative reviews. Look, I have 3 gifts right now that are taking up 3 of my kennels. So I can't even spam click here and buy new dogs without watching ads. So frustrating, everyone. This is why Puppy Town was a failure. I mean, sure, it had 10 million downloads, but that's because they advertised it to over 10 million people. No one would care about Puppy Town if it wasn't for the real-life money aspect of it. I'm so mad. Look at these things, man. Yep. Upgrade to level 5. I don't want to upgrade to level 5. No. That's right. See? Because this is why I hate it so much, bro. They give you the option to upgrade your dogs. It's such a predatory tactic, man. Why? Just leave my kennels alone. It doesn't even matter anyway. The app's a joke, everyone. It's over, man. I don't see any real-life money here at all anymore for Puppy Town. I think they finally called it quits and they realized that they can't get away with that scam anymore. But that just means there's going to be more spam or scam apps out there for me to look at now. That's the problem. Just because Puppy Town stopped now, and so has Lucky Toss 3D as well. We took care of Lucky Toss 3D. They've changed their motto completely as well now. But look at this. Another ad anyway. Guys, well done. Honestly, well done, everyone. I can't wait to see what the Play Store is going to come out with next, though. There are tons of scam apps out there still that need to be dealt with. And hopefully, we can get it done. Hopefully. If time goes, like, if this is how the market's reacting to like these videos, then we should be able to affect a lot more apps out there and change the marketplace to get rid of these apps. They cannot exist. Like, now Puppy Town is a legitimate app because it doesn't have that fake earn money stuff. They need to get rid of the dividends and they need to change their Play Store look, and I guess they can get away with it. But they'll forever be marked as a scam app. For real. Puppy Town will always be looked at as a scam app no matter what they do now. And that's just the side of the business that happens. That's their punishment for scamming literally 10 million people. Honestly, like, it's crazy, bro. It actually is crazy. But anyway, besides the point, everyone. Pretty much I just thought I'd post this video to you all to let you all know the situation. Puppy Town's done. And we can continue on with our lives now and move on to the next bigger and badder threats that are out there. So, yeah, if you guys have Puppy Town, I wouldn't even bother playing it anymore. Because, unless you just like the merging aspect, because, yeah, you're not going to get any money out of it. Not like you're going to get money anyway, as it was a joke app anyway, so, yeah, oh well. Either way, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Just a quick little 8-minute video. Get this done and dusted, show you guys the update, and that's it. On to new stuff. Thanks, everyone. Stay safe out there. I'll catch you all next time. See you later.